Take command of the road in the 2018 Ford Edge. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a power rear cargo door, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including front and side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.